Good day. Good day, ma'am. I am Marian Pablo from BSID 3I, and I will explain how my project was created. First thing to do is open the Adobe XD. Since I have my created project, I will open this. I created inventory dashboard file. Di, open ko yung mode board reference. This is my mode board. First is this one. I use that color palette here. And itong mga to. Mga color palette. And then, this one icons. Since nasabi ko na kung saan gawin na itong icons na to, I will apply it. Ayan yung mga icons to. Drag and drop ko lang yung mga yan since nasa ano ko. This. And then, Myanmar text. I use only one font. Yan. At nang to is Myanmar text font lang. Ayoko kasi ng ano. Baka hindi mabasa, hindi siya ma-align. Yan yung mga yan. Myanmar lang yan. Double click. Hindi nagpapakita. Myanmar text lang yung mga yan. And then, the shapes, I use it here. Yan. Ginamit ko yan dito sa my crop. Sa crop. And then, ito kinuha ko lang din sa flat icons na website. Yan. Ganyan lang kasimple yung design. So, may prototype na yan. Nakakonect na siya. Yan. Ito yung mismo yung home natin. If I click this inventory, will move. And then, click X. Yan. Babalik siya sa dashboard natin. Orders. Yan. Yan. All orders. Tapos, X natin. Balik din yan. Balik siya sa ano. Tapos, and then, log out. Yan. Once you click log out, babalik lang siya sa ano natin, sa dashboard screen. So, I created explain about dashboard. This dashboard design offers a comprehensive overview of a product inventory, sales performance by store, and profit versus expenses analysis. With its intuitive interface, real-time updates, and customizable features, users can make informed decisions swiftly, ensuring optimal business management and growth. Next, inventory. The inventory screens provide vital insights into inventory turnover rates and sales performance across stores. coupled with warehouse management and inventory accuracy metrics. Users can swiftly gauge turnover rates, analysis sales, performance by store, and ensure efficient warehouse operation. With a focus on inventory accuracy, this screen empowers users to make data-driven decisions, optimize stock levels, and maintain operational efficiency. And then this one, orders screen. Order screens provide vital insight into orders to check every order's status, those are cancelled or delivered. We can fil- we can filter those orders by all orders and cancelled orders and delivered orders.